On a circuit thing, like a project circuit thing, we might finish it today, right?
Well, it has several different builds we can do. So we won't finish it all today because we'll do one. We can do one over a few amount of time. Okay, I think this is AAA. Give me a AAA batteries, please.
Oh, AAA batteries. This. Oh yeah, this is a circuit project we're doing, but we're not finished all of it because you can do any kind of builds, right? I hope we can
a lot of different builds.
A lot of different builds. I wish we could connect it all together.
We can. That's the thing. But we start out doing simple stuff.
Yeah.
It's more difficult.
Yeah.
As we go through it.
Yeah. So first we just gotta. Yeah.
Oh, it's working. It lit up.
It's working. One lit up.
So the battery.
One lit up, y'all. Yeah, yes. Yeah, but we'll have an episode of this. So today, on Sunday's episode 1, we might do it every day from now on.
Okay.
So tomorrow we'll do it too. So this episode 1, a circuit project, I'll name it.
Circuit project?
Yeah.
Investigation underway when I let it play out.
IA could spend months filing this report.
Yep.
More people could die by now.
Look, I know it's not really
And I'll show you other things. See, look. See, this is all the circuits got put in, but we're not doing it today. We're just starting it off like the simple things, and then we'll do the difficult things another day. There's some, and my mommy's recording.
Yeah, so now it works.
And now, you know you're gonna upload that on Facebook, right?
Got my dollar store batteries.
And now you're gonna upload that on Facebook, right?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, and I'll upload this video on YouTube. Yep, and this is
All right, so now we did the one thing, so it shows us the batteries are working. So what we got to do is each time you want to test the battery, they want you to do this kind of configuration to make sure your battery works.
Yeah, but how will light up the other ones? Or that's the only one.
Different things light up different stuff. So
that's the only thing supposed to light up.
That was just a test.
Oh, test.
So it says now building a glowing circuit.
Oh, glowing circuit.
Okay. I don't know if you should record this whole thing. You should do it in sections, maybe. I don't know. Plug one end of the gray wire into the. Okay, we did all that. Why are there 2 wires? Every project will have at least 2 wires. One coming out of the negative side of the battery and one going into the positive side of the battery. You see that? Every project that we build is going to have one wire coming out of the positive side of the battery, which is here, and one coming out the negative side of the battery.
Alright, actually I record the whole thing, but I'm going to pause it and then show it.
Okay, and one, now it says why. It has to do with how circuits are built. Keep reading to find out more. Okay, what's going on? This loop of electricity flowing from the battery through the wire, through the LED, and through the wire back to the battery is an electric circuit. In order to understand what's going on, you first need to know a bit about electricity. Oh, so they're going to teach you a little bit about electricity, but you probably can pause that.
Yeah, I'll pause this.
How the electricity is flowing through the wires, right? So they tell you how the electrons move. When the electrons move, that causes electricity. When a bunch of electrons move in the same direction, it's called an electric current.
Like this is electricity that's
that's charging through your phone
and
that wire, correct. And so then they go on to talk about electric current. It says when electric current flows, amazing things can happen. You can use it to cook a pizza, light up your bedroom, or power a computer. But electric current can't just flow into your devices and stop. For electricity to work, the current of electrons has to keep moving in a circle or electronic circuit. So they're saying they always move, they don't stop.
Right.
When they stop, there's no electricity, so they have to always be moving.
It looks like I'm not paying attention, but I'm looking through you before the camera.
I know, you got me on the camera and my hand not even done.
And I'm looking in you in the camera, so I'm still focusing.
I know. Okay. So then there's some more about, it's your turn to read. I read, you read.
All right, now you record me.
Okay. Okay. When electricity flows through the wires from the terminal of the battery, so from the battery through the wires, when electricity flows that way, it says the wires from the terminal of the battery around the loop and back to the battery, it's called a complete circuit. So when the electricity goes from this side to that side and then back to this side, it's called a complete circuit. Okay, the battery acts like an electricity pump. A battery has a lot of electrons on one side and not enough on the other side. When you connect the wires to the battery pumps electrons through the wires. Because it flows, people often compare electricity to water. Water flows and can also be used to do things. Okay, so electronic components. Throughout a circuit, different parts or components can be added. Some components, like an on-off switch, regulate the flow of energy. Some components turn electrical energy into other forms of useful energy, the light or sound. Like, and what I did was, so that we don't have an on-off switch, so I just took it out. Because, see, I took it out. When you put it back in, the light will come back on. See,
Oh,
I took it out so that the light will stay off so we don't waste our battery. Okay, in the circuit you just built, the component was a light-emitting diode, and it used the electrical energy to light up. Okay.
Like powers, like whenever there's a shot, whenever they got powers and the lights come on, that's electricity too.
Yep. Okay, so now we're going to make some more, looks like. We're going to make some more of these light up.
Yeah, we're going to make
So
some more of these.
I think it's your turn to...
Yeah, so, but now I'm going to... Wait, it's time my turn to read?
No, it's going to be your turn to put those things in.
But whenever
Looks
I
like
put these
we're going
things
to figure out how... They're going to tell us how to do it, what wires we use.
Yeah, but whenever I put them in, I'm going to pause and then I'll show everybody.
Okay.
Like I told you, this is almost like Chi-Chi's whenever it performs and then these lights come on. Because it's like electricity there.
Yep. So this time what we're going to do is, it looks like connect, it says light up the LEDs at the same time by building a parallel circuit. So we're going to build a parallel circuit. We connect the battery to LED 7. We did that. Use another wire to connect LED battery. Okay,
Look,
now you
y'all.
got to do that. You want all of these?
We got another light. We got another light. Look.
Okay, what does it say? Another way to make this parallel circuit is to connect the two LEDs with the
Connect
wire
another one.
and then connect the LED module to the battery. Oh, two LED 7, so LED 1 and 2 together.
Look now, like we got them all on. See, look.
We got them all on. So all we had to do, they call this a parallel circuit, where you just loop one into the other and then make sure the wire is in the same slot, and then you go to the next. If you can see how we did it. But anyway, that was our first big lesson. Robert learned that they're kind of tough to push in and try not to bend them. But this is going to help with his hand dexterity, which is good. I didn't even think about that when I got this. Anyway, till next time, guys.
Bye-bye, and this is the episode 1. Wait, let me switch it. I can't switch it in me. Alright, you know what? I can. Hey, it's me, Robert. Goodbye. Bye, because we're going to do another episode tomorrow, because this is Circuit Project episode 1. Bye-bye.